Open the lab in incognito mode. Okay, click on Cloud Shell. Click on Continue. Click on Authorize. Now here, just go back to the lab. I have given the GitHub link. Go back to that. Okay, just copy this export zone. Okay, come back over here. Enter. Then go back to the lab. Okay, search for region. Okay, here they have given the region as Europe West 1. Copy this. Okay, go back to the lab. Paste over here. Enter. Then go back to the GitHub again. See, copy the second command. Go back to here. Paste. Enter. That's it. Wait for few minutes to execute. We need to wait for some more time to execute. We need to wait at least 4 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes. We need to wait. Now the lab got executed here. Lab was completed. Now go